Here's my Kioti CK2610 my SpeeCo Quick Hitch that I got from GoodWorks Tractor. My SpeeCo Quick Hitch. Looks to be pretty good. No dings. Everything works. Sweet. It's been a really cool tractor so far. Just starting to get it dirty. And I've got another toy from GoodWorks Tractors coming tomorrow. More on that later. All right, I got my Stump bucket in from GoodWorks Tractors. And I'm gonna unbox it now. One of the main reasons that I bought this is because GoodWorks Tractors is located in Michigan. So, and I'm pretty sure, I don't know if it's still true, but this was manufactured in Iowa, which is where we live. That's it. I don't really like how they stick the label on the bucket itself, but I'm sure it'll wear off. I don't really have the patience to peel all that off. But anyway, comes with a second set of teeth, just in case. A little serrated dump it or bucket edge. And skid steer quick attach. So I'll give it a shot and report back how I like it. All right, I got it mounted up. About to flip this one around, and this is extra teeth. You can buy more if you want. I just opted on one, or might even just come with one. But I'm running the GoodWorks Tractor mini stump bucket on my Kioti CK2610 SE, and we'll see how it goes. I'll give you an unbiased opinion about how it works. Hoping for good big things. The reason I got the stump bucket is for digging up invasive trees. We have a lot on this property. We have right here is an autumn olive. Nasty little tree. Got thorns and whatnot, but they're invasive. Pretty bad here in the Midwest. I dealt with a cousin of it, Russian olive, in Colorado and out west. It's just a horrible tree. And then we've got here honeysuckle. And when I say we have a problem with honeysuckle, all of this is honeysuckle. And there's another autumn olive back here. But yeah, honeysuckle, autumn olive, dig it out. And eventually I'll probably use the stump bucket to plant new trees, native trees. I feel like our property lacks maples, so I think I'm gonna try to plant some maples. We used to have a bunch of pine trees back here, but they have pretty much all died. It's just sticks. So we'll try to clear all this out, and it's just bordered by these really nice oak trees. So I think having a little contrast of bright red maples through here would be pretty cool, of different varieties. So we'll see what happens. Pop it right out of the ground. How cool is that? I don't have to waste money on herbicide, and I can just rip it out by the roots, and hopefully we got most of it, and it can be a thing of the past. Just a few thousand more trees to go, and shrubs.